the shoulder out and open up the palm, but at the wrist, right? Okay, and here's a good opportunity, like if you need to, if you notice there's some, like she can't get her arm down, put a block here. Makes sense? But line the edge of the block with that wrist. For some reason, it makes me crazy if it's not. Okay, then the other side.
Sorry.
You okay?
No, it's just me. On my chair.
I think here too, if I could place energy, and inhale here, exhale through the arm into the palm, and then out to my fingers at her wrist. Okay, then, so she's opened up, but notice her shoulders are kind of up near her ears. So this is a pretty tricky one.
It's so
Deep breath in. And then exhale, I'm going to slide shoulders down. Right, so actually grab